ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್, and then in this session what we are going to read, I will give the introduction. Observe clearly, last sessions ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have gone through the trigonometric functions, relations, that is to say co-ratio, reciprocal ratio, trigonometric identities. ಯಾವುದು sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, and others. Tan theta sin theta by cos theta, cot theta na cos theta by sin theta, ಈ ತರ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. In this session we are going to deal with one more important type or one more important concept of trigonometry, which is known as ASTC rule ಅಂತ ಡೆಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ASTC rule, ASTC rule. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್. In the last session I was dealing with the concept of quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant ಮತ್ತು fourth quadrant ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. and I look at this once again, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. This is your first quadrant, correct enough? ಇದು second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this will be the fourth quadrant. Remember, this is plus x-axis, ಇದು minus x-axis, plus y-axis, minus y-axis. As usual, x is positive, y is positive in the first quadrant, and x is negative, y is positive in the second quadrant. Third quadrant x is negative, y is also negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now I will extend some more results now. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What will happen to the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant angles? Ratios ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent hypotenuse, tan theta opposite by adjacent and others. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇರಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಒನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದ್ರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇದೆಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, and this will be your 180, ಇದು 270, of course, which is also is equal to 360 degree. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್. ರೈಟ್, we are measuring the angle in the anti-clockwise direction. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಈ ತರ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತನಕ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಥವಾ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 minus theta. Remember, these are the two possible ratios present in the first quadrant. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 90 plus theta, second quadrant, 90 plus theta, this is possible. And what will happen to the second one? Athwa 180 minus theta, indಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಥವಾ 270 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 180 plus theta, otherwise 270 minus theta is also possible. What will happen to the fourth quadrant? 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. 270 plus theta, athwa 360 minus theta. Look at this now. This is the possible angles present in all the four quadrants. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇದಾಗ್ತಿರೋ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಥವಾ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 90 ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ 0 ಇಂದ 89 90 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 90 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 180 ಮೈನಸ್. What will happen to third quadrant? 180 plus 270 minus. What will happen to fourth? 270 plus 360 minus. Right? Now, let me to consider one triangle in the first quadrant. One triangle consider. Right? This will be the triangle present in your first quadrant. First quadrant. Okay? Of course, this is the rotating angle, theta we told me. O will be the center. A, B. Now this is present in the first quadrant. Sides ನೋಡಿ, possible sides ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? This is along positive x-axis, ಇದು positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What will happen to AB? It is parallel to positive y-axis, ಇದು positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Look at the hypotenuse. OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Even hypotenuse is also positive. Right? So, now, in the first quadrant, what will happen to the ratios? Look at this now. I will give the ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. More sin reciprocal, cosecant theta, cos reciprocal, secant theta, tan reciprocal, cot theta. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು, ರೈಟ್? ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. theta opposite ಅದಪ್ಪ AB by OA. AB divided by OA is equal to plus or minus ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. AB is plus, OA is plus. Plus divided by plus is positive. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ sin theta ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೆ cosecant theta is also positive. cosecant theta ನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. cos theta ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Look at this, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse OB by OA. OB by OA. Now OB is also positive, OA is also positive. Remember, positive by positive is also positive. And the reciprocal secant theta is also positive. Look at this tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. AB by OB. AB divided by OB. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? AB is also positive. OB is also positive. Positive by positive is also positive. And reciprocal positive ಆಗಿದೆ. Right? So now it's very clear. In the first quadrant, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಸೈನು ಕಾಸು ಟ್ಯಾನು ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಡು ಸೀಕೆಂಡು ಕಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Shall we look at the second quadrant? Second quadrant check madega. Look at the second quadrant angle. Once again, ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. That's reciprocal. Sin reciprocal is cosecant theta, cos reciprocal. Secant theta, tan reciprocal, cot theta. Now shall we have a triangle in the second quadrant and we shall check out what are positive, what are negative. This is second quadrant of one triangle. O, right? This will be A and this is B in the second quadrant. Remember, this is OB straight line is minus x. AB straight line is parallel to plus y is positive. Naturally, hypotenuse is always positive. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? AB square ಅಂದಷ್ಟು AO square ಅಂದ್ರೆ OB square minus into minus plus. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್, ರೈಟ್? Now shall I look at this quadrant? Angles check ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? What is sin theta? Now this will be your angle theta. This is theta. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse AB by AO. AB divided by AO. So what is this? Positive or negative? AB is plus, OA, AO is plus, plus by plus under. Plus positive. Definitely no doubt. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪಾಟೆನಸ್ OB ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ AO. OB ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ AO. OB ಏನು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ is always minus. So the reciprocal of secant theta is also minus. Minus by plus is minus. Now let me look at tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. AB divided by OB. AB divided by OB. This is tan theta. Plus by minus is also minus. Plus by minus. Plus 2 by minus 2 andre answer is minus 1. Plus by minus is minus. Tan theta reciprocal of cot theta is also minus. That's very clear. In the second quadrant, sin theta positive ಮತ್ತೆ cosecant theta positive. Sin cosecant positive ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So that is why I am going to represent it by yes. Yes, second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin cosecant positive. Sin cosecant positive. Third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಮುಂದೆ. So now remember, in the first quadrant all are positive. First quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಮತ್ತೆ cosecant positive. Remaining all are negative. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Right? Shall I look at the third quadrant? ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ Third quadrant. possible ratios. Sin theta. ಅದು reciprocal ಅದಪ್ಪ. Here will be cosecant theta. ಎರಡನೇ trigonometric ratio cos theta. Reciprocal secant theta. Third one is tan theta. And its reciprocal is cot theta. Right? Shall I draw a triangle in the third quadrant and let me to explain the concept. This is third quadrant. Look at the triangle. This is your hypotenuse and this is your secant. And now this is your angle theta. As normal, the straight line OB, this is negative x-axis minus that straight line. Straight line AB parallel to minus is also minus, whereas hypotenuse is always positive. Hypotenuse is always positive. Now, let me represent these sides. So sin theta, idu theta tane, opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AO. So AB divided by AO. Now, what is happening? AB is minus by plus. Minus by plus is minus. Now, cosecant is also negative. Cosecant theta, adu negative. Shall I look at cos theta? Adjacent OB by AO. OB by AO. Correct na? Adjacent say OB, hypotenuse OA atha AO. Once again, minus by plus is also minus. Minus by plus is also minus. And secant theta is also negative. Atha negative. What will happen to tan theta? Theta tane opposite by adjacent. AB by OB. AB divided by OB. Remember now, AB is negative, OB is also negative. Minus by minus cancel, it is plus. And now look, the next trigonometric ratio is also positive. Remember here, tan theta is positive and cot theta is positive. Positive was marked by this will be referred by T. AST. AST is represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಡ್ರದಂಗೆ first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sin and cosecant positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, fourth quadrant angle positive ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು shall look at the fourth quadrant this time. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Alright. So the basic ratios in the sin theta, cos theta. Got it? More than sin theta, cos theta ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ give the rest of it. Tan theta ಒಂದು ಬರೀತೀವಿ. And even if you look at the ratios now, reciprocal, sin theta reciprocal ಯಾವಪ್ಪ? cosecant theta, cos theta ಗೆ secant theta, tan theta, cot theta. These are the reciprocals now. Fourth quadrantal triangle ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Now this will be a triangle, right? O as normal, this is A and this is B. Now this will be angle theta. ಇದು theta. Sides, straight line OB is positive because that is lies along positive x-axis. Straight line AB is parallel to minus y-axis, minus. And no doubt your hypotenuse is positive. Hypotenuse positive. Got it? Now, sin theta. Let me look at the ratio. Sin theta. This theta. Because the whole graph like that is not. Sin theta ಏನಪ್ಪ? theta ಗೆ opposite AB by AO. AB by AO. Remember, this is AB by AO. What is the AB? AB, so this is AB. Minus by AO is plus. Minus by plus is minus. No doubt, ಅದು reciprocal, ಅದು negative ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So sin theta and cosecant theta are negative. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. What will happen to cos and secant? Theta ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse OB by OA. OB by OA. What will happen to this now? OB is positive, OA is positive. Plus by plus is plus. And no doubt, the reciprocal secant theta is also positive. Although positive. Now shall we look at tan theta, the loss ratio. Opposite by adjacent. Theta is opposite AB by OB. So AB divided by OB. What will happen to this now? AB is negative, OB is positive. Minus by plus is minus, and cot theta is also negative. So which are positive? We have positive one. Remember, cos theta is positive, cosecant theta is also positive. So now I will represent this by C. So if I divide these ratios like this now, A, S, T, C. A, S, T, C. A in the first quadrant, S in the second quadrant, T in the third quadrant, C in the fourth quadrant. Ratios. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, sin theta and cosecant theta positive. Third quadrant, T, tan and cot are positive. C, fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Remaining all ratios will be negative. That's all, right? So, hope in this session I am looking for an important rule of mathematics, especially an important rule of trigonometry known as ASTC rule anta karitini. ASTC rule anta karitini. So now ಒಂದೇ diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ I am representing all the quadrants, first, second, third, fourth quadrant ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And however, in the ratios ಅಥವಾ in the quadrant, these are the angles. ಇಷ್ಟ angles availability ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. First quadrant 360 plus 90 minus, second quadrant 90 plus 180 minus, third quadrant 180 plus 270 minus, fourth quadrant 270 plus and 360 minus. Very simple logic, and you should remember this for a longer time. ASTC rule, first, second, third quadrant. ಅದ್ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆ ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ sin cosecant positive remaining negative, third quadrant tan cot positive remaining negative, fourth quadrant cos secant positive remaining all are negative. Very simple now, right? So practice this one for a maximum number of times. So ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕಟ ಸಾಕು, 1 2 3 4 ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ. In the next sessions we are going to continue the problems on these things now, right? ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Write down these things in your notes and practice. So that's syllable practice. Thank you.